Hey guys, you also facing the same problem every time you import the CAD file into Photoshop, your lines are not visible and the line weight is very low. If you want to know how you can solve this thing and import the correct PDF and what are the settings required in Photoshop, then continue watching this video till the last. I will tell you each and everything step by step and will help you in sort out this problem. Still you get any problem, you can comment below or message me on Instagram. I will try to resolve your problem. Let's start. I am opening the file which I want to drag in Photoshop. Okay, so this is my CAD file. These are the elevations which I want to import in Photoshop. First, I am normally saving and let's see what I got. I created the PDF just with Ctrl+P and select the file with window on not to scale. So PDF is saved and now open it in Photoshop. Here it is not visible because of transparent background. Let's add the solid color white layer below to it. You can see this is the problem every time I got when I import the file not properly visible. Okay, don't worry, I have the solution for this. So now again open the AutoCAD and we will not going to create the PDF directly. We will do some changes. First make a copy of your work, explode all if it is in the block, then change the line weight and I make to 0.30. Then we will do some change in the printing settings. There you have to change the plot style to monochrome and create the PDF. Done, I saved it with the new name line weight so that we can see the difference. After saving, we will open it in Photoshop and now you will notice that the change in the old and the new one. Let's add the white solid color layer to see the difference. Here it is. Now one more thing you can do. If you want the more darker, add the brightness and the contrast layer. Make sure it is on the top and drag the brightness to the left and contrast to the right. That's it. Hope you like this video. I will soon come with more videos and if you still have any problem then comment below and don't forget to subscribe us and I will see you in the next one.